Ever wondered if GrabPay is just another digital wallet? I mean, it lets you store money, send it to friends, and even pay for stuff. Sounds like a wallet, right? But hold on, there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive in. Imagine this, you're in a bustling city, maybe Singapore or Kuala Lumpur. You're hungry, so you order food through a mobile app. You pay for it seamlessly without pulling out your cash or card. Convenient, right? This is where GrabPay comes into the picture. Now, it's true, GrabPay does function as a mobile wallet. You can top it up with cash, link your bank account, and use it for various transactions. But that's just one side of the coin. GrabPay is actually more than a wallet, it's a payment platform. Think of it as a versatile tool that handles money in a variety of ways. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your finances. Let's break it down. First, the wallet function. You can store your money securely, send it to friends and family instantly, and even request money from them. It's like having a digital piggy bank in your pocket. But here's where it gets interesting. GrabPay is deeply integrated into the Grab app. This means you can use it for more than just storing and sending money. You can book rides, order food, pay for groceries, and even book hotel stays. It's like having one app to rule them all. This integration makes it incredibly convenient. No more juggling multiple apps or worrying about carrying different cards. Furthermore, GrabPay offers rewards and cashback. The more you use it, the more you save. It's like getting paid to pay. This reward system is a clever way to keep users engaged and coming back for more. So, is GrabPay a mobile wallet? Yes, it is. But it's so much more than that. It's a payment ecosystem that simplifies your life. Now, you might be wondering how it compares to other mobile wallets like Google Pay or Apple Pay. While they offer similar core functionalities, GrabPay's deep integration with the Grab app gives it a unique edge. It's like comparing a basic wallet to a multifunctional tool. Both hold your money, but the latter offers a lot more. To sum it up, GrabPay is a mobile wallet on steroids. It's a payment platform that combines the convenience of a digital wallet with the power of a comprehensive app. It's a tool that adapts to your needs, making your life easier and more rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.